Starting a journey. The waterway of happiness. Whether the sun rises or sets. Providing the best stevedoring and logistics services. Satisfying the customer's needs. Quality guaranteed. Introduction of Kaochuan. For 52 years, starting in 1945, Kaohsiung Harbor's stevedoring was handled by the Port Authority, and Kaohsiung Harbor was the third-ranking container port in the world due to its cooperation with the shipping industry and importers and exporters. However, over time this caused a heavy burden to public institutions, thus becoming an obstacle towards the development of Kaohsiung Harbor. Therefore, the government planned to develop Kaohsiung Harbor as an Asian-Pacific Regional Operations Center. It also planned to make Kaohsiung Harbor a maritime center with a multifunctional commerce and trade park, benefiting from the development of the processing transshipment area of the export processing zone. It was necessary to enhance the competitiveness of Kaohsiung Port and to bring its benefits into full play. Therefore, the privatization of the loading and unloading operation was the first priority at that time. In 1997, the Port of Kaohsiung started accepting applications for private ship cargo handling operators. Taking into consideration that stevedoring had a great impact on the shipping industry, the cost of handling cargo, and the efficiency of loading and unloading ships' cargo, a group of elites gathered and jointly established a company named Kaochuan on October 25, 1997, which began its official operations on January 1, 1998, and has been operating ever since. Growing and thriving. The 1998 project of loading and unloading pipes for the Chinese Petroleum Corporation's undersea installation. Between February and July of 1998, a total of 40,000 pieces of bare steel pipe and coated steel pipe were loaded and unloaded. This successfully completed the Chinese Petroleum Corporation's undersea pipeline loading and unloading project assigned by China Ecotech Corporation. In order to ensure the quality of service, Kaochuan passed ISO 1994 in 2000 and was the first company in Kaohsiung Harbor to earn this certification. After that, we upgraded and passed the ISO 2000 quality certification in 2002. We also passed the Occupational Health and Safety certification of OHSAS and CNS in 2012. Our quality policy is zero disasters, high quality, and standardization. We formed a long-term cooperation contract and strategy alliance with Gearbulk in 1999. We cooperated with Kaohsiung Harbor Bureau to build a logistics warehouse to render integrated service of ship cargo handling, warehousing, and logistics. After 8 months of construction, the first warehouse was finally completed and opened in October 2000. That was the beginning of Kaohsiung to achieve the goal of becoming an Asian hub and to start expanding the international logistical services. Heavy Machinery Group. Introduction of the various operations. Bonded cargo warehousing operations. Weighing operations. Pulp loading and unloading operations. We use semi-automatic frames to operate. We are the only company at Kaohsiung Harbor who uses pulp clamps to handle pulp. Pulp transshipment operations. Wood pulp is transshipped to Australia, Japan, and Korea on break bulk vessels. Through container vessel transshipment, wood pulp is sent to Asia-Pacific areas such as Thailand, Malaysia, Korea, and Japan. Kaohsiung Harbor now is considered as a core transshipment center for wood pulp. Yacht loading operations. Taiwan is the #1 yacht manufacturing country in Asia, exporting a great number of yachts to all over the world every year. Kaohsiung is responsible for the majority of yacht loading operations. Roll-on, roll-off vessel loading and unloading operations. Cold coil loading operations. Heavy machine unloading operations. Heavy machine loading operations. The Kaohsiung MRT shatter machine unloading operation. Aluminium ingots unloading operation. Using a semi-automatic frame, cargo is unhooked automatically. armored vehicle unloading operations. The Taiwan High-Speed Rail Car Unloading Project. From May 25, 2004 to November 6, 2005. Planning meeting. In order to move the rail cars from the hatch, we used a jack to lift the car from the wing side to the hatch center, or use skateboards to move the car from the wing side to the hatch center. From May 2004 to November 2005, a total of 360 car compartments were satisfactorily unloaded without any damage by Kaochun's technology team members. January 2005, joining the operation of the Free Trade Zone. January 2005, joining the operation of the Free Trade Zone. In January 2005, we joined the operation of the Free Trade Zone to meet government policy and started FTZ operations. Kaohsiung Customs Office approved Kaochun to self-manage the whole operation area. In order to meet the customers' demands of warehousing and logistics, we built a second warehouse in 2009 and a third in 2014. Now our total warehouse area measures 24,000 square meters, which can accommodate about 100,000 tons of cargo. Promotion and implementation, labor safety and health training to keep workers healthy. In order to ensure safe working conditions, we practice pre-operation education. We also organize regular educational training and a variety of disaster prevention drills, such as fire drills, chemical relief drills, and so on. Kaochun emphasizes labor safety and hygiene, and purchase a variety of safety equipment regardless of cost. For the sake of our workers' health, Kaochun initiated a policy of no betel nut for all the employees. Our company has won the Labor Safety Premium Award in 1998 and 2006. Future and prospects. In the future, we will continue to uphold the ISO quality policy to the highest quality standards, combining ship cargo handling, storage, and logistics, and to provide customers a variety of services. In addition, in the Free Trade Zone, we expect to give full attention to the function of processing and repackaging to help Kaohsiung Harbor become a leading shipment transit center in Asia. Thank you.